Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things. I made flying monkey artwork on my scroll saw. Put it in a completely round frame made out of plywood. I really like it. I bought myself the wizardofhaas.com domain name. I'll do some YouTube consulting with that. Want to see how I made this? I'll show you how. Check it out. I used my lathe to clean up the end and then put a groove in it, which you can see here. I put the largest blade I had on my scroll saw to get through the 3/4 inch material. Feel free to yell at me in the comments for not putting any video footage of my lathe in this video. If you want lathe video footage, let me know in the comments. This groove is important because it will let the flush trim bit do its job and remove that extra material. This worked so well. I'm being very careful. This is a dangerous operation, so keep a hold of the workpiece and keep track of where your fingers are. Then I put this monster rabbiting bit on, and oh my goodness, this bit is a beast. It destroyed that wood. Did an awesome job too. Lots of sawdust. Love it. Spray lacquer wins the day with this one. Now for the assembly. Everything is just tension fit. Although I did break out my pin nailer just to make sure nothing goes anywhere. And I finally remembered what this tool is called. It's a pin nailer. I have an affiliate link in the description if you want one. Here's the final piece in emerald green and yellow brick road yellow. Thanks, Internet.